So this video is very important because I'm going to teach you a trick which is not only will help you in a single subject, but it will help you in two different subjects. That is, one is in physics and one more is in maths. Now, before I discuss about that trick, let me give you a small example wherein all this trick can be used. Now, no matter whether you are studying in a 5th class or no matter whether you are studying in a 12th class. So from 5th to 12th class, for all the class of students, this video is going to be very helpful. Now, not only 12th, you are preparing for CET, NEET or any kind of banking exam or any exam where mathematics comes into picture, which happens with most of the competitive exams. So in all those exams, this trick is going to be very, very helpful. Now, I will call this as a Dinka-Chika trick. Now, why Dinka-Chika? Because see, as simple as this. So let me speak about this trick. Let me tell you how it works. Then I am going to take few examples with respect to different numbers so that I can prove it on all the numbers. Then I will verify as well. Okay. Now, before I get into the proof, let me tell you what exactly that rule is. Okay. Now, let us assume you went to a garden alone. Okay. And you saw seesaw over there. Okay. Now, at one end, if you sit, due to your weight, one end will come down. Okay. What about the other free end? That free end will go up. Right. So the trick works as simple as that. If one value or if one side value is reducing, another will increase. Okay. So that means I need to balance on both the sides. That is how maths works. Okay. So you can't really, suppose if I have a number 2 into 10. Okay. So this 2, I want to make it as a 20. Now what will be 10 power? Right. Now whatever, as per your wish, you can't put any number over there. Right. So what you need to do is, from 2 it is becoming 20. So that means it is increasing the number. Okay. By one digit we are increasing. So as per Dinka-Chika rule, I told you if this is increasing, this will reduce. Right. So this is increasing, this will reduce. Okay. So here, if nothing is there, by default 1 will be there, right? Okay. So 10 power 1 will be there. Now that 10 power 1 will not come here because that 10 power 1 is reducing by one digit, right? So 10 power 1 minus 1 is 10 power 0. Okay. And as I mentioned earlier, let us verify this, whether it is correct or wrong. Say I'm starting with a small examples. I'm going to increase the level as the video process. See, 2 into 10 is 20. Now this side also should get 20. See, 10 power 0. Anything power 0 is 1. 1 into 20 is 20. So as simple as that. LHS is becoming equal to RHS. So our rule is true in this small example. Let me take one more second example, students. Now, first example I have taken a natural number. Let me take one decimal number now. That is 0.5 into 10. See, I'm starting with some simple basic numbers so that I can prove it as well, because if I take a bigger number, it will become quite difficulty. Like, it will take more time to prove them. 0.5 into 10 is there. If 10 means by default power 1 will be there. Okay. Now this 0.5, I want to make it as a 5. Now, how much will be 10 power? 0.5 to 5 I am making. So what will be 10 power? So 0.5 to 5, that means am I increasing the number? Yes, 0.5 to 5 means I'm increasing. By how much? I'm just shifting a point towards right. Anyway, we'll not get into the left, right and all that. I'm just telling you that if 1 increasing, this should decrease. Decrease in 10 power means minus. Whenever 10 power decreases, put a minus sign. Okay. So 0.5 to 5. So 1 digit. Okay. So if it is increasing by 1, this 10 power should reduce by 1. Okay, so 1 is already there. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, minus 0 or plus 0, it won't really make any difference. Okay, now 10 power 1 is 10. So it is like you are multiplying. Now I'm trying to verify them. So 0.5 into 10. So whenever you multiply decimal numbers, forget about points. So it is like 5. 5 into 10 is 50. Yes, now point adjustment I will do. So point is there after one digit from right hand side. So point will come after one digit from right hand side. So answer is 5.0. So I should get on right hand side also 5.0. 5.0 is nothing but 5. Now 5 into. Now what is 10 power 0? In maths, anything power 0 is nothing but 1. So 5 into 1 is 5. So right hand side I am getting 5 and left hand side also I am getting 5. So this proves that, so Dinka-Chika rule, if this is decreasing, this will increase. If this is increasing, this will decrease, is true for all the numbers. Okay, I have taken natural, I have taken decimal. Let me take one more number which is related to a negative number. Now for negative number, you should have a firm concept in your mind that biggest negative number is -1. Okay, let me draw a natural line. Okay, or we can call it as a number line. So in number line, this side is 0. So this side all positive numbers I will get, +1, +2. Okay, now on left hand side, what I will get? Again I will get 1, 2, not really, right? So I will get a -1, -2, -3. So we know that biggest negative number is -1. Okay, so I'm just trying to tell you the basics of negative number. See, rule remains same. Increase, decrease only it will happen. Now, suppose if I ask you among -2 and -3, which one is greater? Okay, so if you get a confusion in your negative numbers, all you need to do is just ignore that negative. Okay, negative means what? Ulta. Whatever happens in positive, opposite to that it will happen in negative, right? So I am asking among 2 and 3, which one is greater number? So what I will do is, so I will just ignore the negative sign. So among 2 and 3, 2 is lesser, right? So 2 is lesser. So in negative number, 2 becomes greater. So that means -2 is greater than -3. That is what I told you. -1 is the biggest negative number. Okay, let us try to prove this rule over here by taking an example. Suppose I have a number 4 into 10 power -2 is there. Okay, 4 into 10 power -2 is there. Now this 10 power -2, what I am going to do is, this 4 I want to make it as a 40. 4 I want to make it as a 40. Now what will be 10 power? What will be 10 power? Okay, let us try to solve this. Okay, now 4 to 40, that means I am increasing. 4 to 40 means I am increasing, no doubt in that. Okay, so 10 power will reduce. 10 power will reduce. Okay, but since negative sign is there, what I will do is, I will put that negative sign as it is. Okay, you have balanced the negative sign, no doubt in that. So since you are putting minus as it is, this reduction will increase. Okay, you just, since you are putting minus sign, just forget about sign and all now. So this will increase. That means 2 will increase by 3. Because 4 to 40 means 1 digit. So 2 to 3 means 1 digit. So minus I have balanced by keeping it as it is. Let us verify as well. So 4 by 10 power -2, if it comes to denominator, 10 power +2, that is 100, right? So 4 by 100 is how much? Keep 4 as it is. 2 digits are then denominator. So after 2 digit, 1, 2. Now second digit is not there. What to do? As simple as that. Put 0. So 0.04. Now don't you think I should get 0.04 on right hand side also? Let us verify. So 40 by 10 power -3. If it comes to denominator, it will be 10 power +3. 10 power +3 is nothing but 1000. Okay. 0, 0, 1, 4 by 100. Here also we have 4 by 100. We already calculated. So it is 0.04. So only one additional thing what will you do is, you will keep minus as it is and you will do reverse operation. Once you keep a minus sign, you will just forget that whatever minus is there. Okay, then you will do ulta. If this is decrease, in negative it will increase. Okay, so what I will do is, I will give you 2 more numbers. You can try them. Okay, and you can tell me the answer in your comment section. Okay, so the number is 2 into 10 power -2. Now this, I want to make it as 0.02. Now what will be 10 power? Okay, this is the first question. Now the second question is, I have 4 into 10 power 4. Now this 10 power 4, I want to make it as 10 power 6. Okay, so what will be number here? Okay, so these 2 problems, what you can do is, you can solve these 2 problems and give me the answer in next comment section. Thank you for your valuable time, students. You can even download our app through a Play Store. You can give a search as a PATIL'S Academy, or link is in the description. Through that link also you can download. We are conducting online classes from 8th to 12th class for maths and science subject for all the grades between 8th to 12th, and for all the boards, state, CBSE and ICSE. For more information, you can contact us through mail ID, or you can contact us through the contact number. I will provide the contact number in the description. Thank you once again.